A kind woodcutter named Ahmed lived in a small village. He cut wood from the forest every day to sell in the market. One day, while cutting wood near a river, Ahmed's axe slipped from his hands and fell into the deep water. He felt sad because he needed the axe to work and earn money. Suddenly, a bright light appeared, and an angel rose from the river with a shiny golden axe. "Is this your axe?" Ahmed looked at the axe and said, "No, my axe was not golden." The angel disappeared again and returned with a beautiful silver axe. "Is this your axe?" Ahmed shook his head and said, "No, mine was not silver either." The angel went into the river once more and brought back an old iron axe. "Is this your axe?" Ahmed smiled with joy and said, "Yes, that is my axe. Thank you." The angel was pleased with Ahmed's honesty. "Because you are truthful, I will give you all 3 axes." His honesty brought him great reward, and he continued to live with kindness and truth.